The International Organization of Securities Commission has launched World Investor Week. More than 35 exchanges across the world are participating. National Stock Exchange of India is one of the leading awareness partners and is raising awareness for retail investors. Today, I, Shikha Mittal, would like to invite Head Business Development and Vice President of National Stock Exchange of India, Ms. Rehana D'Souza. Hi Rehana, I'm so excited to talk to you about investments.
I too am very excited to be here with you, and we are very much looking forward to be a part of the World Investor Week along with ISCO and SEBI on behalf of National Stock Exchange.
So World Investor Week is a week-long global campaign promoted by the International Organization of Securities Commission. And National Stock Exchange of India is one of the leading partners. So Rehana, why don't you share what NSE has been doing this year to raise awareness amongst its retail investors?
One of the main initiatives that we are very excited to look forward to is the national level quiz, which we are jointly doing with NSDL, and we are looking at more than 1 lakh participants for that quiz. It would be on a span of 5 days across the gamut of investing world. We are also very excited about a new initiative, which is Be Your Own Lakshmi. And this we are doing along with you, Shikha, where we are looking at young women entrepreneurs, young women earners. And we are very happy that we have got more than 2,500 registrations already for this. And actually, it is important that the woman of today looks forward to savings and looks forward for wealth creation for herself as well as for her family. She herself is the Lakshmi, and she will create Lakshmi for her family. We are very happy about this initiative.
कुछ सालों में पाएंगे अरे कितने अमीर हुए हम. A lot of times when Be.artsy was raising awareness on financial literacy in the workplaces, we were getting constant question that how people are always scared to invest in stock exchange. What is National Stock Exchange strategy on safeguarding its retail investors' money?
Actually, long-term investing in financial markets under sound investor guidance and with a proper legal framework, which is under the regulators, actually provides safeguard to the investor, and he need not be afraid of any kind of risk, as risk containment is already taken care of.
What, according to you, Rehana, would be the impact of these kind of awareness programs, especially now that NSE is really aggressively reaching out to the workplaces?
We have extended Pan-India, where 85% of Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are covered. So if you go to see, 98% of the districts Pan-India are also covered, and that actually brings a huge impact and impetus to this financial awareness program. A dedicated focus is extended to youngsters, young women entrepreneurs, young earners, students who have good savings, and of course corporate employees, where we tell them about the different avenues for savings, for investing, and how they can contain risk.
You know, one of the most challenging questions for any kind of financial institution, whether a stock exchange or an asset management company, is to demystify the jargons related to financial literacy. So, Rehana, what steps National Stock Exchange has been taking to reach to its retail investors?
Shikha, what we are looking here is how to make an impact on the common investor. So financial awareness programs, we have different mediums wherein we use presentations, we use theaters, street theaters, like what Be.artsy is doing.
Financially independent होने के लिए क्या कभी out of the way जाके सोचा? सही इन्वेस्ट किया अगर इसे लग जाएंगे पर जाएगी बहुत ऊपर, बरसेगी बारिश बनकर तेरी मेहनत की कमाई हो जाएगी 2 से 2.5, तेरी मेहनत की कमाई यो मेहनत की कमाई.
We also have different regional languages wherein we call in expert speakers, and they speak in different languages and explain whether it is savings, whether it is stock, whether security, options, futures. It's just these small terms which he will understand in his own regional language.
Thank you so much, Rehana, for coming in and sharing so much with us.
Thank you, Shikha. Thank you very much for inviting me here.
And to all our viewers, happy investing and stay financially healthy.